Alright, and good morning everyone. Welcome back to Neely FX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading and also building expert advisors for the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 platforms, as well as getting into prop trading. So this is what we are doing today. First, we had a big silver breakout last night. Not a big one, but 50-60 cents, which was very I noticed it last night, right as I was falling asleep. And I tweeted about it. Well, tweeted about it. I posted about it on X, and go ahead and follow me on X if you want to. It's sometimes to have some things to put out there as well as some fun Wordle. Do a lot of Wordle too, but so that's you may want to check that out. But let's get into the risk disclaimer real quick because that's what I've got to do since I am in the United States and this is, to my knowledge, required by law. First, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I am a professional trader, not a broker. I'm trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. I do not manage. Forex trading is highly speculative with a higher risk of losing some or all of your capital and investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Now, the CFTC risk disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. A high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Now, before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You can sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. And we're trading the Forex spot market, so you can risk only the funds that you have available. You can't risk, or you can't lose more than you have available as you can in the futures market. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that because we're not in the futures markets. At least not yet, maybe one day. So this is what we have going on today. We have absolutely nothing going on as far as new releases for today, so it's going to be a pretty easy day unless you're trading the USD and the UCAD, the dollar versus the Canadian. I don't see a whole lot of things going on today as far as news wise goes. You typically do not trade on Fridays because Fridays is usually it goes to until about 11 o'clock. About 11 o'clock, the European market falls off, and then there's just nothing else going on unless something major is going on in the world, and then you definitely don't want to get into it because of whipsawing. So let's take a look and see what's going on in the world today. First, turn on my other computer. First, let's go to the yen, the dollar. Did we miss anything in the overnight? No, we didn't. As a matter of fact, the yen and the dollar versus the yen is respecting that 4-hour resistance line, so we don't see a whole lot going on there. We'll see if it supports this line here. We could probably, if we wanted to get funky with it, we could probably move this one up to here because that actually looks more realistic. We've got a whole bunch of bounces off of that, so that's actually showing a lot of strength here. So we could see a breakout on the dollar versus the yen next week. In the dollar versus the euro, we have, again, not a whole lot going on. All the trend lines are being respected. Oh, look at that. We do have the euro not respecting the 4-hour trend line. It did respect this daily one, though. I think it's daily. Let's back out a little bit and see what that is. Go to the weekly. Ooh, look at that. Tighten up, make it clean up a little bit better. And that is the daily trend line that is being respected. The 4-hour trend line is not being respected too well. It is on the weekly chart, but when you zoom in and get to the 4-hour time frame, it looks like that until you do this. And find the chart all over. Then grab it and pull it down here. And the euro actually took also we have a change of character in the market according to smart money concepts, so we could see some more downside to the dollar versus the euro. Still holding that 117 though. It does not want to give up the 117 level, which is fine. Henry's not judging me. It's not coming in today. I don't know, he's over there. Let's see the gold. Let's see what's going on gold. Do we have gold? Here we have silver, but I don't want silver on this one. I'll do gold on this one. The gold market is looking, well, it did have a little bit of a breakout on the 4-hour resistance line right there. So gold is starting to show some interest, starting to get a high level of resistance. It's a big level of resistance right here too. So I don't expect to see a whole lot more going on with gold. Although the metals perking up, gold, silver, platinum. Just for fun, let's look at platinum. So this might be a good, platinum has been good for at least one person I know of, named Victoria Dukes. Now, she's been trading platinum for about a year now, and she's seen a very strong rise in this. In fact, she's trading the futures markets, which means that she's getting a lot more things going on. But I also did something kind of fun yesterday too. I pulled all these bond yields all into one category. So it goes the U.S. dollar yield, 2-year yield, the European 2-year yield, the Japanese 2-year yield, and you guys can figure that out. And the 30 yields is what you base your real estate purchases on, or the real estate market bases mortgages on. You see, we're pushing up back towards 5% on the 30-year, 4.38 on the 10-year, and these are very, very tight yields. So we're not seeing any mercy, if you will, on the yields format. This is where you're going to determine what kind of what's going to happen, what the Fed's going to do too, because the market does dictate what the Fed is going to do. And Jerome Powell may be right in holding. Who knows? We don't. I don't have a crystal ball. Maybe he does. Who knows? Let's get into silver real quick. Look at the story of the day, I think, which is this. So we've got the gold breakout. We also have a silver breakout. So I might have to change the title of this to silver and gold breakout, but that's okay. So that's what we've got going on today. I'm not trading today. If you are, be very careful, because Friday's going to be very, very weird as far as trading goes. After that, I am going to, it's time for me to go to my day job. You guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Oh yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe it. Like and subscribe to it. I should mention that at the very beginning of the video too, because we can use, the more people we get, the more people that we can do things with. So you guys have a great one. I should have turned the light on earlier. I'll talk to you later.